Welcome to Zoom in Data. In this session, we will discuss Databricks jobs and workflows, which are essential for automating data pipelines and production workloads. Jobs allow organizations to schedule, monitor, and manage batch and streaming processes efficiently. Understanding Databricks jobs is extremely important for interviews, as it demonstrates real-world production knowledge beyond notebooks. Mastery of jobs and workflows helps data engineers build reliable, scalable, and fault-tolerant data solutions. Key points covered in this subtopic: Databricks jobs architecture and components, job types, scheduling, and execution models, workflow orchestration and task dependencies, monitoring, retry mechanisms, and best practices. Subscribe to Zoom in Data to continue structured learning of Databricks concepts. What is a Databricks job? A Databricks job is a scheduled or triggered execution of a notebook, jar, Python script, or SQL task. Jobs are mainly used to run production workloads such as ETL pipelines and data transformations. They allow automation of repetitive tasks without manual intervention. Databricks jobs help ensure reliability and consistency in data processing. What are the main components of a Databricks job? A Databricks job consists of tasks, clusters, schedules, and configurations. Tasks define what code or logic needs to be executed. Clusters provide the compute environment required to run the job. Schedules and configurations control when and how the job runs. What types of tasks can be run using Databricks jobs? Databricks jobs can run notebook tasks, jar tasks, Python scripts, SQL queries, and Delta Live tables. Notebook tasks are commonly used for ETL and transformation logic. Jar and Python tasks support custom applications and advanced processing. SQL tasks allow execution of scheduled analytical queries. What is a multitask job in Databricks? A multitask job allows multiple tasks to be defined within a single job workflow. Tasks can run sequentially or in parallel based on dependencies. This enables orchestration of complex data pipelines within Databricks. Multitask jobs reduce the need for external workflow tools. How are task dependencies handled in Databricks jobs? Databricks allows tasks to be linked using dependency rules. A task can be configured to run only after another task completes successfully. Dependencies ensure correct execution order in pipelines. This helps maintain data accuracy and consistency. What is job scheduling in Databricks? Job scheduling allows jobs to run at specific times or intervals. Schedules can be defined using cron expressions or simple frequency options. Jobs can run hourly, daily, weekly, or based on custom schedules. Scheduling ensures timely and automated data processing. How are clusters used in Databricks jobs? Jobs can run on existing interactive clusters or dedicated job clusters. Job clusters are created when the job starts and terminated after completion. This approach improves isolation and reduces costs. Cluster selection impacts performance, reliability, and cost efficiency. What is the advantage of using job clusters? Job clusters provide isolated environments for each job execution. They avoid conflicts caused by shared resources or libraries. Automatic termination helps control operational costs. Job clusters are best suited for production workloads. How does Databricks handle job retries? Databricks supports automatic retry mechanisms for failed jobs or tasks. Retry policies can be configured based on failure conditions. This helps recover from temporary issues such as network failures. Retries improve reliability and reduce manual intervention. How are job failures handled in Databricks? Databricks captures error logs and failure details for debugging. Notifications can be sent via email or webhooks on failure. Failed tasks can trigger retries or stop dependent tasks. Proper failure handling ensures stable production pipelines. What is a workflow in Databricks? A workflow is a logical sequence of tasks defined within a Databricks job. It represents an end-to-end data pipeline or processing flow. Workflows manage task execution order and dependencies. They simplify orchestration directly within Databricks. How does Databricks compare to external workflow tools? Databricks jobs provide native orchestration without external tools. They integrate tightly with Spark, Delta Lake, and Databricks clusters. External tools may be needed for cross-platform orchestration. Databricks jobs reduce complexity for Databricks-centric pipelines. How are parameters passed to Databricks jobs? Jobs support parameters passed to notebooks and scripts. Parameters allow dynamic behavior based on runtime values. This enables reuse of the same job logic for multiple datasets. Parameterization improves flexibility and maintainability. How does Databricks ensure job scalability? Jobs leverage Spark's distributed processing capabilities. Autoscaling clusters adjust resources based on workload demand. Parallel task execution improves throughput. Scalability ensures consistent performance for large datasets. What monitoring features are available for Databricks jobs? Databricks provides job run history, logs, and execution metrics. Users can track start time, duration, and success or failure status. Detailed logs help identify performance issues and errors. Monitoring improves operational visibility and troubleshooting. How do Databricks jobs support CI/CD pipelines? Jobs can be triggered via REST APIs and integrated with CI/CD tools. This allows automated deployment of data pipelines. Version-controlled notebooks can be used in jobs. CI/CD integration ensures reliable and repeatable deployments. What security controls apply to Databricks jobs? Job execution follows workspace-level role-based access control. Permissions define who can create, edit, or run jobs. Jobs inherit cluster and data access security policies. This ensures secure and compliant execution. How are jobs used in real-time data processing? Jobs can run structured streaming workloads continuously. Streaming jobs process incoming data in near real time. Checkpointing ensures fault tolerance and data consistency. This enables reliable real-time analytics pipelines. What are common interview questions on Databricks jobs? Interviewers often ask about job types, clusters, retries, and workflows. Differences between interactive and job clusters are commonly tested. Scheduling and dependency management are key discussion areas. Practical examples demonstrate strong production knowledge. How does Databricks jobs improve operational efficiency? Automation reduces manual execution and human errors. Centralized monitoring simplifies pipeline management. Retry and alert mechanisms ensure reliability. Efficiency improves overall data platform stability. What is job concurrency in Databricks? Job concurrency allows multiple job runs to execute simultaneously. Concurrency limits can be configured to manage resource usage. Proper concurrency improves throughput without overloading clusters. It is important for high-volume data environments. How are workflows visualized in Databricks? Databricks provides a graphical view of task dependencies. Visual workflows help understand execution order. They simplify debugging and pipeline validation. Visualization improves clarity for complex pipelines. What are best practices for Databricks jobs? Use job clusters instead of shared clusters for production. Configure retries and alerts for reliability. Keep tasks modular and parameterized. Monitor job performance regularly for optimization. How do Databricks jobs support enterprise data pipelines? Jobs enable end-to-end automation of data ingestion, processing, and delivery. They integrate with Delta Lake, cloud storage, and BI tools. Security and governance features support enterprise standards. This makes Databricks suitable for large-scale production systems. Why are Databricks jobs important for interviews? Jobs demonstrate real-world production experience, not just development skills. Interviewers assess understanding of automation and reliability. Knowledge of workflows and retries shows maturity as a data engineer. Strong job concepts significantly improve interview performance. Thank you for watching Zoom in Data. If you found this video helpful, like, share, subscribe. More Databricks interview and tutorial videos coming soon. Stay connected and keep learning with Zoom in Data.